lives in the dark, a puzzle made of gold, a box of sins, ancient cold. Fingers twitch, the shape aligns, blood awakens, twisted sign. From shadows deep, they start to rise. No mercy found behind those eyes. Chains rattle through the stinking air, hooks that hunger, eyes that stare. You sought the edge, the thrill, the flame, but pleasure's twin is not the same. Now silence breaks with screams and lust. Your soul dissolves your flesh to dust.
You open the box, you call down us. We have set sights to show you. You open the box, we taste your pain. Eternity awaits you.
Pinhead stands with nail-crowned grace, sullen judge with a butcher's face. Shadow grins with teeth unchained, butterball grind but never tamed. The female whispers, cold and low, through hell's design you chose this show.
You open the box, you called on us. We have set sights to show you. You open the box, we take your pain.
Now suffer in the name of lust, a kiss of razor, skin unmade, a prayer to gods you once betrayed. Desire led you through the door, now lies and lust will rot your core. The Cenobites don't ask for trust, they trade in flesh, they deal in dust. Flesh bound tied in sacred chains, symphony of screams remains. No heaven here, no light, no balm, just endless void disguised as calm. Your cries are sweet, your torments are they'll peel the secrets from your home. Lament no more, the choice was clear, now echoes stretch beyond the sphere. What's done is done, no deals to strike, no morning light, no final spike. You beg for more, well here it lies, a gift wrapped in your own demise, a gift wrapped in your own demise. Now scream for what you knew you'd lose. We are the priests of pain and must.
That demon's angels, cold and just, from darkest realms we do descend, to greet the soul you chose to send. Through pins and hooks of sacred laws we tear your world without a pause. To open the box, you long for more, now it's too late.
Pinhead waits, the order's true, and hell has now come home to you.